Hi dear friends, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today really quick, I'm going to show you how to make the Potawatomi Stitch, and I'm pretty sure I'm not pronouncing it correct. I had a previous video on how to make the stitch, but we're just going to make another one. So we are going to grab 5 beads. For this tutorial, I'm using size 8. We are going to pull them down. Our thread is exiting from this bead. We are going to sew in a reverse direction through the first bead. Most of the times we sew up through all the beads. In this occasion, we are going to sew down through the bead. And this is what you should have. This is bead number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are going to pick up 5 beads. Our thread is exiting from this bead. We are going to skip the second bead and we are going to sew up through the third bead. These are our 5 new beads. So we're going to move the first bead and we are going to sew in a reverse direction through the second bead. We're not going to sew down, we're going to sew up through the second bead. This is what you should have right now. This is bead 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From now on, we are going to repeat this step. We are going to pick up 5 beads. Our thread is exiting from this bead, which is the second bead we add. We are going to skip this bead and we are going to sew up through the, in this case, the 4 bead that we add. We are going to sew in a reverse direction through the second bead of the 5 beads we add. We are going to pick up 5 more beads. Our thread is exiting from this bead. We are going to skip 1 bead and we are going to sew through this bead. We are going to sew up or in a reverse direction through the second bead out of the 5 beads that we just add. This is what we have right now. So we are going to pick up 5 more beads. Sew up through the bead. If you notice, this bead is sticking out. And we are going to sew up through the second bead one more time. If you have the length that you need for your project, as you can see, our beads are uneven. In the bottom part, we have 5 beads standing up. On the top part, we only have 4 beads. So this is what we're going to do when we finish the length that we need. We are going to pick up 2 beads. We are going to skip 1 bead, and instead of us sewing up through the bead, we are going to sew down through the bead. And this will make our row complete. If you look at it, it looks the same. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it's easy to understand. And if you like my videos, Please subscribe to the channel. Leave me comments on what would you like to see next on my channel. Until next time. Thank you.